Hello! Today we are making easy to make yet delicious potato balls with herbs. Here's how to make it. Pour a tablespoon of vegetable oil in a pan and 1 carrot that is grated. Cook them for 3 or 4 minutes at medium heat until they turn a bit of a yellow color. Then take them off of heat. In a serving platter, pour some yogurt and spread it nicely and set aside. Take 2 boiled potatoes in a bowl and mash them with the help of a fork. Add a teaspoon of salt, nutmeg powder, and freshly grounded pepper. Next, mix the ingredients for spices to evenly incorporate. Then add 1/3 a cup of chopped dill and 1/4 a cup of chopped parsley. And add the carrots. You can change the amounts according to your liking. Mix them well together. Take little pieces from the mixture and give them a round shape with your hands. And place them on your platter. Add more yogurt on top and sprinkle some chili flakes. Crushed garlic also goes well within this. Spare your 5 minutes and try this recipe. I guarantee you won't regret it once you taste this yummy snack. Leave a like if you liked it and comment down below what would you like to see us make in the next video. Until then, subscribe and be a member of our club.